Hi, I'm Lauren with Woodgrain, and today we're going to show you how to create this beautiful slat accent wall. We teamed up with Ashan and Jessica from the Boardroom Accent Walls to create this slat wall design that involves Woodgrain solid pine 266 lattice, which is a beautiful piece of solid wood molding that can easily be stained and is great for making a slat wall. Ashan, tell us about the project and what you guys did to prep for this.
Yeah, we're really excited about this nursery. Our client is actually at the hospital right now having the baby, so there's going to be a big reveal at the end. But our process, we're going to be painting this wall in a bluish gray color. Then we're going to stain these beautiful pieces of pine. And then we're going to do the install. We look forward to showing you our whole process.
Is staining. Jessica, do you want to tell us about this process?
Yeah, so we are preconditioning the wood right now. This is a pre-stain, so that way we are smoothing out the boards and conditioning them for the next step of the actual staining. This helps to just even out kind of the stain for the final look.
I love the color of the wall. So we've painted and stained. Can you tell us about the design and how you measured out the wall?
Definitely. Our design has 3 vertical slats that hold the back end, and the rest will be done horizontally. So what we did was we measured the full wall, found the center point, and we're going to space everything out evenly from there.
Wall is looking amazing. Ashan, can you walk us through the installation process and any tips and tricks that you have?
Definitely, yeah, we love having it turned out. So all the boards were nailed against 3 main boards that we nailed onto the wall. We followed a pattern where we put 2 pieces together to give it a thicker look, but all the other pieces were individual, as you see. Finally, to do the spacing, a little trick, we just used one of the pieces of wood, and naturally everything falls into place. So as you go across, everything installs at a level place, and it looks really good. Finally, one trick is once you get to your outlets, in order not to cover it, we used another piece of wood as a spacer and put it right behind it. That way it gives it the floating look and everything still looks clean at the end.
Now the wall is installed and we head into the finishing stage, what needs to be done so that we can complete the wall?
Yeah, so we've got these little holes where we nailed everything in. So we're going to use plastic wood filler and come through and patch everything up. Finally, with our stain, we're going to take a rag, touch everything up, and it'll be good to go.
Really love how this accent wall turned out.
Yeah, adding this really makes the room pop, it adds dimension, and the clients are going to love it.
So where can people find you?
The best way is to follow us on Instagram at the Boardroom Accent Walls.
Awesome, so like, follow, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more collaborations with the Boardroom.
Can't wait.